Guys, yan yung ulam. Yummy ulam. Yan guys. Wow, 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 wow. Yan, nag-isa lang ako ng bawang, sibuyas, kamatis, at yung ating giniling guys. Ayan, letter guys. Luto na yan guys. At nalagyan ko ng sili nito kasi meron pa nito sa bahay. Ayan na siya guys. Sarap. Diba? Ginisang sayote. At ito naman guys ang ulam nila guys. Ito yung ulam nila guys. Oh. Ayan guys. Trinay ko yung yung okra guys. Ayan. Trinay ko yung okra. Masarap siguro ito guys. Ayan. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye.